Hi, it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a rice cooker meal using beef. And these are the ingredients you need. 2 cups of rice, sirloin tip, around 4 ounces, 1 egg, frozen pea, 1 cup, carrot, cubed, frozen corn, 1 cup, soy sauce, sugar, cornstarch, sesame oil, salt, and water. Rinse the rice. Wash it until the water is clear. So I'm cooking 2 cups of rice, and there is always marks on all the rice cooker. So this is 2 cups, so I'm going to put water until the top of the 2. Rinse the frozen corn to get some of the ice out. Rinse the frozen pea. And then the carrot. I am going to put half a teaspoon of salt. And then we can start cooking the rice. We're going to cut up the beef. Just squeeze out the water. And then try to do it thinly. So my thing is like that. So I'm going to thinly slice. So now the beef has been sliced, and I'm going to marinate the beef. 1 teaspoon cornstarch, half teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of soy, the light soy sauce, and mix it together. Looks like it's mixed. So I'm going to crack the egg and just use the egg white. To marinate. And then I'm not going to waste the egg yolk, so now I'm going to put it into the rice cooker. So just put it anywhere. Putting in the egg white is to tenderize the beef and makes it less chewy. So just let it marinate until the rice is almost done, and then we will add it in to the rice. See, now my rice is almost done. I can hear the zzz sound, and also a lot of steam's coming out, but it's still cooking right now. But the water is all dried up. See? Look here, all dried up. So now I'm going to add in the beef, and then just let it be like this, and then cover it, and wait until it pops out. I took out the rice from the rice cooker, and it looked like this. So I'm going to mix everything together. Very colorful. So let's put another teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 teaspoons soy sauce. Mix it again. Okay, I'm going to show you another way of eating the rice. You can just eat it alone, or just take 1 piece, put some rice, put a piece of meat, and then just do it like this. So kids will love it. Even myself like it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.